Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you about Stripe Atlas. Alright, let's begin. First of all, if we talk about Stripe Atlas, it is a platform designed to help entrepreneurs from anywhere in the world start and operate a US business. It is especially useful for founders who want to access the US market, investors, and banking infrastructure. What makes Stripe Atlas unique is how it simplifies the complex and often overwhelming process of business incorporation. With just a few clicks, Stripe Atlas helps you set up a Delaware C Corporation or LLC, open a U.S. bank account, and obtain an Employer Identification Number or EIN from the IRS. This is particularly beneficial for international entrepreneurs who face challenges navigating the red tape involved in entering the U.S. market. Stripe Atlas also provides legal guidance, an optional stock issuance service to manage equity, and access to banking services through Silicon Valley Bank or Mercury. The standout feature of Stripe Atlas is that you do not need to be in the US to use it. This is a game changer for non-US entrepreneurs looking to establish their business presence in the country. Now, let's talk about who Stripe Atlas is made for. If you are a startup founder, freelancer, or small business owner planning to enter the US market, Stripe Atlas provides a simple solution. For a one-time fee of $500, you get company incorporation, tax guidance, a US bank account, and access to Stripe's payment processing services. This service is not limited to tech startups. It is also valuable for any entrepreneur who wants to establish a strong foundation in the US business environment. In conclusion, Stripe Atlas is an efficient and streamlined solution for entrepreneurs who want to tap into the US market. It simplifies the process of setting up a business, provides access to essential services, and eliminates many of the challenges faced by international founders. However, it is important to evaluate whether its features align with your business needs and goals before deciding to use it. So that's basically all about Stripe Atlas. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.